Okay, now we're going to talk about primes. Okay, before that, let's look at one table here. We have a task to do. Okay, for example, we have for these numbers 2 to 11, 12 to 21. So let's look at the factors. Okay, how many factors they have for each of this whole number. Okay, for example, 2 we have 1, 2, 3 we have 1, 3, right? 4 we have 1, 2, 4. How about 5? 5 have 1, 5. 6 we have 1, 2, 3, and 6, right? 7 we have 1 itself, 1, 7. How about 8? 8 we have 1, 2, 4, and 8. How about 9? 9 we have 1, we have 3, we have 9 itself, right? How about 10? 10 we have 1, 2, 5, and 10, right? How about 11? 11 we have 1, we have 11 itself, right? We don't have any other factors. Okay, how about 12? 12 we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 6, and we have 12. Is that correct? So we have how many numbers? We have 1, 2, but we have, we already discussed that one, okay, previously, right? So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factors, okay, for them, right? Okay, let's continue. How about 13? 13, we have 1, we have 13, right? How about 14? 14, how many factors we have? We have 1, definitely we have 1. Then we have 2, right? Then we have 7, right? Then we have 14, right? Okay, what 15? 1, 3, yes. 5, yes. Okay, and 15 itself, right? Okay, this one have more. Okay, so how many numbers we have? Okay, we have 1, we have 2, we have 4. Do we have 8? Yes, we have 8, right? And then we have, how much we have? The other one, 4. So we have 16, right? Okay, so let's look at 17. 17, we only have 7 and 17 itself, right? Okay, so 18. 18 definitely we have more, right? Much more, right? So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 6. What else we have? We have 9. Probably that's all right. We don't have nothing. Okay, then we have 18. Okay, so that is all we have, right? So so 19. Okay, let's look at this one. So how we find out this one? So 18 equals to 1 times 18, right? Okay. The other one, 2 times 9, right? And then 3 times 6, right? The next one is what? Next one is 6. Yeah, we have, most probably we have all those numbers already, right? So we have 6, right? 1, 2, 3. So we have 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. It's including itself, right? So we have 6 numbers, right? Okay, so about 19. 19 we have only 1 and 19 itself. How about 20? 20, okay. 20 we have 1, 20, 2, 10, 3 now, not for 3. But 4, 5, yes, okay. The next one is, what's that? So 10, okay, I think that's it. Okay, so we have, so what do we have? We have 6 also as well, right? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20 excels, right? How about 21? 21 we have 1 times 21, 2, now for 2, right? Okay, how about 3? 3, yes, okay, 3, 21. So what else do we have? No, nothing, right? Okay, so we have 1, we have 3, we have 7, we have 21 itself. Okay, very good. So now from here we have to find out all those whole numbers. That we call them this whole number, the whole number. Okay, we have to find out those factors, right? How many factors we have? We already did down here. Okay, let's do a summary. Okay. Let's do the summary is to classify each of these above numbers according to numbers of factors they have. Okay, let's see how many numbers they have. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's draw a table. Okay, let's draw a table. So, okay, numbers of factor. The other one is the whole number. Okay, let's find out. Okay, so basically here, 6m more, 6m more. Okay, so basically, okay, classify each of these above numbers. Okay, so according to the numbers of factor they have. And let me use the below tables. Okay, let's organize. Okay, so how many whole numbers have one factors? No, we don't have this thing, right? Okay, right? They're all more than 2 above. So how many 2 we have? We have 2, we have 3, okay, 2, 3, and 5, and we have 7, okay, and the 11. Okay, what else? 13, right? Some more, continue. Okay, we have 17. We have 19 as well, right? Okay, so how many 3 we have? Number 4. Okay. Number 9. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we have 4 and 9. Okay, 4 and 9. How about 4 numbers we have? 4. Here got 4, right? Okay. 6. Yes. Okay. 8. Yes. Okay. 10. Yes. Okay. 14. Yes. Okay. 15. Yes. Okay, so 4 numbers up here. 21. Yes. Okay. So we have all those numbers. We have 4 numbers. Okay. So let's look at 5. 5 factors. What do those have? 5 factors. 5. Okay. 5. Do we have a 5? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 16, right? 16 we have 5, right? 16. Okay. What else? No, only 16, right? Yes. Okay. Oh, 6 and more. 6. Okay. Yes, 6. Okay, we have 6. Okay. 12. Okay. Here 1, 2, no. Here also, right? 18, right? Some more. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 20. Yes, exactly. Okay, so basically, now because it's very clear, right? So from here we can see that. Okay, so trace 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 18. They have only two factors. The rest we have of 3, 4, 5, 6. So can we conclude? So from this table, so we can find out something very interesting, right? Let's look at it. That's something very interesting, right? Okay, so we call that. Okay, so we call the factors. Okay, now let's look at the table. So what do we find out? Okay, especially for 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 8, 19. So they have only 2 factors. Okay, so they have 2 factors. Okay, so in this case, this particular whole numbers, this group of whole numbers. Okay, so we call them is the prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers. We call them prime numbers. Okay, so this is very important. We call them prime numbers. So a prime number is a whole number greater than 1 and has only 2 factors. So a prime number is obviously that sometimes we call prime. So the prime number. So the prime numbers is the whole number. Whole number greater than 1, okay? And then they have only have two factors. So which is 1 and itself. Okay, look at this one. So 2, they have only one itself. Okay, 1 itself, 2, 3 itself, 1 and 3, 5, 1 and 5, 7, 1 and 7, 11, 1 and 11. So 13, 1 and 13, 17, 1, 17, 19, 1, 19. So they only have, okay, they're the whole numbers greater than 1, and then they only have two factors. 1 itself is itself and 1. Okay, so this is very important concepts. Okay, so in this case, and then let's look at the rest. Okay, so the rest of the numbers, we have 3 factors, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then the rest of those numbers we call it's a composite number. Okay, composite number is those numbers. So composite, we also have another concept, composite number. Composite number is what numbers? Composite number is the whole number greater than 1 and have more than 2 factors. So it's the whole number greater than 1. Okay, this is very important, right? It's more than 1, and then they have more than 2 factors. So let's look at here. So what are those composite numbers? Okay, let's look at 4. 4, they have 1, 2, 4. And the other one is like 9, they have 1, 3, 9. So they have more than two factors. So just now we mentioned prime number, they only have 2. Which is 1 and itself. 1 and itself. So right. So prime number is only have 2 factors, 1 and itself. And the composite numbers, they have more than 2 factors. Okay, so this is very important. Okay. And also don't forget, 0 and 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So we have to be very clear. Okay. Let's erase this. Okay, now let's give a summary. So what is the prime number? Prime number, prime number is the whole number. It's greater than 1. Greater than 1, and then it's also only has 2 factors. 1 and itself. So this is very important, right? And then what is the composite number? So what is the composite number? Composite number is also a whole number greater than 1. It's also greater than 1 and has more than 2 factors. So this is very important, right? Just now we already said it's more than 2 factors. Prime number is only greater than 1, but they only have 2 factors. The 2 factors is 1 and itself. And also there's very important concepts in there. Prime number for prime sometimes also we call primes. Next one. Also take note, right? 0 and 1 are neither a prime number and nor a composite number. Take note about this. I think that is just today's class. So okay, next class we will continue to talk about we will give some examples to differentiate. So what are those prime numbers? What are those composite numbers? We'll give more examples in the next class. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you soon. Thank you.